If you wanted to play the most visually demanding, physics-heavy, AAA video games at blistering frame rates, you were chained to a desk. You needed a massive tower case, loud cooling fans, and a power supply pulling hundreds of watts directly from the wall. The idea of carrying that level of raw graphical horsepower in your jacket pocket was nothing more than a distant science fiction dream. But a quiet, aggressive shift has occurred inside the design studios of Asus. They didn't just want to participate in the handheld gaming market. They wanted to completely dismantle it. This isn't a simple, incremental upgrade to a device you've seen before. This is a complete structural and computational revolution. This is the highly classified, incredibly powerful Asus ROG Ally 2, and it is built to permanently destroy the boundary between desktop performance and absolute mobile freedom. To understand the sheer magnitude of what Asus is preparing to drop into the market, you have to look closely at the battlefield of modern handheld consoles. When the original wave of PC handhelds arrived, they were defined by deep, frustrating compromises. You could have decent battery life, but your games would look blurry and run at a sluggish 30 frames per second. Or you could crank the settings too high, but your device would turn into a literal thermal furnace, melting through its battery charge in under an hour while the cooling fans screamed like a jet engine. Gamers accepted these flaws because the novelty of playing PC games on a train was enough. But Asus realized that novelty wears off. Elite gamers demand uncompromised performance, perfect ergonomics, and a battery that actually lasts through a cross-country flight. With the ROG Ally 2, Asus is using next-generation silicon and a completely re-engineered architecture to turn those impossible demands into standard reality. The absolute crown jewel of this new handheld beast sits right at the center of the hardware, the display matrix. Asus is completely abandoning traditional liquid crystal panels to introduce a custom-designed, ultra-fast organic light-emitting diode display, or OLED. If you have ever played a dark, atmospheric horror game or a moody cinematic sci-fi shooter on a standard handheld, you know the frustration of looking at washed-out, glowing gray shadows. Because traditional screens rely on a persistent backlight that shines through the entire display, true darkness is impossible to achieve. The ROG Ally 2 completely eradicates this issue. Every single pixel on this new 7-inch panel produces its own independent illumination. When your character steps into a dark corridor, those specific pixels completely turn off, dropping power consumption to absolute zero and creating pure, infinite contrast black levels. Colors don't just display on the screen. They pop with an almost three-dimensional depth that makes every virtual world look hyperrealistic. But Asus didn't stop at just upgrading the panel technology. They are tackling the biggest competitive bottleneck in handheld gaming: input latency and motion blur. The ROG Ally 2 display is engineered to run at a staggering 144 Hz refresh rate, backed by an unprecedented 0.03 millisecond response time. When you are tearing through an intense first-person shooter or drifting around a tight corner in a racing simulation, every single frame updates with absolute clarity, completely eliminating ghosting or visual smearing. To ensure this extreme fluid performance doesn't cause screen tearing when frame rates fluctuate during intense battles, Asus has